Hello my dear friends, welcome to Tiny Prince Art Academy. Today we are going to review Camlin Brush Pens. This pack I got it from Amazon for rupees 350. This is the pack of 24 shades. Let's review. As it says, it has 24 shades, which looks pretty amazing. This is a great tool for lettering with ease, and it defines your design with perfection. It has a brush tip. So let's see what do we actually have to deal with. So with this you can draw flawless thin as well as thick lines. Color is pretty smooth. I'm trying all the red color family. Orange, red, pinks, one more orange. Now I'm trying all blues. It's easy to handle for kids, so I would recommend to give it to your kids. Thin strokes are pretty well. And it has a flexible tip, so it's a good way to line, do your lines with easy technique. So Camlin Brush Pens, I would recommend that you buy it and try it yourself. Good product. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to Tiny Prince Art Academy for more art related updates. Thank you once again.